Wow, what's going on, y'all? This is Chef Gerard here with the Creole Cockpit. Hey, look, I couldn't wait no longer. It's getting chilly outside. It's time to make this gumbo. Yeah. First, I want to talk about the sausage, right? Shout out to Chef Tasha. Got our own smoked sausage. He's a local chef here in New Orleans. I'm excited to use it. We're gonna see what it's about, what the hype is about, and yeah, we ready. We're gonna see what it do. We're about to make this gumbo. All right. So look. I always start off with my sausage first, right? So look, I got one pack of hot and one pack of mild. So I'm about to see. So look, I like to slice my sausage like this. This because I think it in my mind it spreads a lot more. So look, we'll get this oil. Get that oil hot. Turn that up. Get ready to saute. All right. Oh man, I had to get my sausage like that. And look, it's okay to do more than one thing at a time. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you want to hear. That's what you want to hear right there. That's what you want to hear. It's a really simple recipe. Some people might not cook it this way. This is the way I cook it. One thing you want to do also, it's okay. So you're going to season. It's all about, as you can see, you'll see I'll add everything one by one, right? That's because you want to build layers of flavor, right? You want to build them layers of flavor. That's just the way I do it. That way you can taste everything. When you taste my gumbo, you could literally taste everything that I put in it because it just builds and builds and builds and builds, right? Just builds and builds and builds. Man, Chef Tasha, hey, sausage smell good. Gotta smell it good up in here. As it's sauteing, you could be doing other things, right? You want to get all that seasoning. Yeah, ooh. So listen, to build a great flavoring gumbo, you have to brown that meat. You got to brown that meat, right? You have to brown the meat, and you have to brown it really good, right? Then you have to deglaze, and you have to brown it again. Like, you have to brown it. It's a must. You don't brown it, it's just, and you just throw it all in there at one time. Yeah, I don't know. To me, it don't taste the same. You could tell when somebody just threw everything there at once. Not that it's bad or it's wrong, but you know they didn't give it time to saute or to brown, and really them deglazing it. So while that's sauteing, we're gonna put this chicken up in there. Cut this fat off, okay? Cut the fat off. Put it back up in there. Put it in the corner. I'm just gonna rough chop it. It's gonna fall apart anyway, right? Put this in the corner. You want to brown everything. You want to get just the fat, man. You don't want to throw away all this meat. You want to save all that. That's the good stuff. Right? Ooh, it's browning so good, y'all. Right, so look, like I said, layers of flavor. Layers of flavor, right? It's browning right now, right? I gotta wait till I wash my hands to touch this spatula again with my other hand. But that's what you want it to do. You want it to brown. You want the, some people call it burn, but it's not burning. It's just browning. Ooh, that was close, boy. Hexclad, you almost got me. You almost got me. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hand in this cutting board, and then, well, I'm gonna wash my hand first, and then we're gonna get to the sausage. Alright. Ooh. Lord, that's what you want right here. Alright, so that's browned pretty good, right? So we're gonna brown all this. We want it to be real brown. Alright? So what I like to do is, that chicken looking a little pale, you know what I'm saying? Chicken looking a little pale, so what do? We add some more seasoning. Layers of flavor. Just a little bit, right? Can't have no bland chicken, you know? We're gonna let this brown, right? Next, what do we put in? We'll put in our onions, right? We're gonna put in our onions. We're gonna small dice our onions, okay? Good onion. It's potent already. Alright, so, alright, pay attention. Here. Woo! Boy, I can laugh. Boy, it's so, damn, it's a good onion. Shoot. Alright, here. One slit there. One slit there. There. Boom. Cut down. Woo! Let me stir this roux. All right, chop it up, chop the rest of it up real good. All right, look like it's browning. Yeah, oh, piece of sausage fell out. Ooh, Chef Tasha, man, it's good, boy. Oh my goodness. All right, now we're gonna put in our onions. Okay. Now we're gonna let them onions soak up the flavor from the sausage and the chicken, right? It's just gonna soak it up. Look at that. Look at that. It's starting to turn already. Ooh. Now you want to get your bell peppers, right? All right. Sorry, y'all, I wasn't recording. Man, that hurt. So look, here, boom. Here, it's gonna go down. Nice strips. I try to chop it up real fine. Cause celery take a long time to get through to sauteing, right? Next, we're gonna put our celery up in there, okay? All right. Come on, y'all. Let's take a closer look. Add your garlic. Pour in our roux. Once this is fully incorporated, you're then going to pour in your stock. A little at a time. Let it kind of catch it, thicken up. Pour some more. Up. More. And pour just a little bit more. You don't want it to look watery, you know, but it is gonna, you have to keep in mind that it is gonna thicken up. Can't forget about the bay leaves. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait till it starts boiling, right? Once it starts boiling, just keep in mind, it will thicken up, okay? Don't freak out, it will thicken up. All right, so I'm about to show y'all 3 secret ingredients that can make your gumbo taste that much better, right? Put it up in the juice. Thyme, oregano, and rosemary are essential for this gumbo recipe. It will change the whole aspect and give it so much more flavor. Bruh. Bruh. So for those of you who do not know, potato salad in the gumbo. So I got introduced to this when I came to Alexandria, right? So what they do is they take a scoop of potato salad, right? Scoop potato salad, put it in their gumbo, right? Put it in their gumbo and eat it. With that stuff like that. When I first heard of this, I was like, man, these people crazy. Man, I tried it. Oh my goodness. It's off the chain. So good. It's the creaminess of the potato salad, the spice, the coolness of the cold potato. Man, it's good. It's a great combination of textures. It's perfect. Hey, Chef Gerard there with the Creole Cockpit. Y'all have a good one.